Built for convenient storage and everyday organization, these slider bags combine easy access with a clean and practical design. As the bag is taken from the box, the smooth slider closure becomes the key feature, providing a quick and reliable way to seal contents inside. A simple slide opens the bag wide, revealing a spacious interior and a well-formed bottom designed to hold various items with ease. The film is then put through hands-on demonstrations. Even under pressure, repeated stretching, and pulling from different directions, the material remains flexible and resistant to tearing. Designed for practical use, the bags deliver both convenience and durability in a simple, easy-to-use format. Behind every shipment is a manufacturing system capable of supporting large volume orders, with a production capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month. Supported by internationally recognized certifications, HAPLAST maintains consistent quality across different markets and applications. Long-term cooperation with leading brands reflects the trust built through stable supply and manufacturing capability. HAPLAST is ready to provide packaging solutions tailored to your business needs. Contact us to explore more.